Hey guys, I'm Peter Rocks and you're watching Cybernation YouTube channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide a secret file behind an image. It's part 2 of steganography, and if you don't know what steganography is, I will put a link down in the description and you can watch my previous video regarding steganography. I have briefly described every step of steganography, like what are stego systems, different type of steganography, everything in detail including its history. So here I'm gonna embed this secret file into this image. So first of all we need to open CMD. Just go to address bar and type CMD, and this will open CMD directly to that window. Now type this command: copy space /b, and now enter the name of the secret file you want to embed in the image. In my case it is secret file.rar space plus space, and now the name of the image in which you want your secret file to get embedded. In my case it is pj space, and now enter the name of the image which will be your final image after embedding the secret file in your original image. Let it be pj.jpg and press enter, and see, you can see that the image has been created over here. So first of all let's close this. Now let's talk about how to retrieve this file from the image. Well, you can see that this image really has a difference in their sizes. It is some 4.55 MBs and it is like some 412 KBs. So those who are professional will understand that this file size is not of an image. In spite, it can be of some virus. Hackers do use this method to embed viruses into an image and send it to the host PC, and as soon as the host opens the image, the virus gets spread into the computer and boom, he's all gone. So how to identify the file inside an image? Well, simply just right click on this image, open with any archiver. It can be 7-zip or WinRAR. See, we have got all the files in our secret file. Here you can verify them. See, these both are together. All the files are same. See, so if you want to extract files from here, just select over, extract to a specific folder. Now select a folder, OK, and it will extract all the files in your folder. See, so this is how we hide an image. So thank you for watching guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any doubts or want to give any reviews on this video or any suggestions for my upcoming videos, comment down below, and do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that if I upload any video you will get to know about it. Thanks for watching guys.